That's a very nice spec Sherman car. Hopefully we will go out in it one day, but on today's schedule we're going with Fabi in the Supra. Last time we've been out in it already, but ever since it has received some mods, right?
Yeah, what did we last? Oh yes, we have a downpipe now and a bigger turbo.
And a bigger turbo. Exactly, so how many horsepower are you running now?
Yeah. We have different maps. Now we're gonna on the track run 500. We can also run 550.
Uh-huh.
So the 550 would be 550 and 730 Newton meters, something like that.
I think that's enough.
We have other maps coming.
Cool. Well, at this point we only need one map, and that's the map of the Nürburgring, but I think you know where to go, right?
Yeah, no. Can you hold the map for me?
I can hold the map and read the map. I mean...
Are we going on the Nordschleife?
The some sort of Schleife, I don't know, Supra Schleife. I think it's the Nord Supra. Okay, enough with all the bad jokes, let's get on with some good car content.
Yep. Yes. Sounds quite nice now.
The back box is still stock, right?
Yes, yeah, just the downpipe.
Okay.
OPF is still in, of course, because
yeah, we need to like, yeah, exactly. We need to think of the environment.
Yeah.
Just thinking what would be the best angle to show the acceleration. I think we'll try this.
Okay.
Later on.
And it's in miles again, guys. So
oh, in miles, okay.
Because on the roads video, people are like, "Oh, you didn't even go over 120." It's miles, not kilometers.
Yeah, so
just saying.
You like being
difference.
You like doing in miles, but that's good because there was one guy on my channel in the comments saying like, "Hey, can you please do like in miles?" So I'm like, "Why?" Because I cannot understand. Like, okay, here you go. You have your lap in miles.
And it's in foot-pounds too, by the way, guys.
Oh, okay.
Just saying.
You will not be able to see it actually, pretty much. On
no.
20 miles, 200 kilometers an hour.
Tires are still cold, I think.
Yeah.
Sounds a bit better though than with the stock downpipe.
Yeah. Some pops and bangs happening.
Yeah.
It's really good, I must say. I think it's beneficial. It actually adds something to the handling as well, because it helps you to get out of the corners quicker.
And the sound, I mean, stock
sound as well.
Like nothing.
Yeah.
Especially the European version with the OPF, it's like
sounds
like a Prius.
It's good. I was thinking it could have been, might have been like too much horsepower, but it's actually a pretty decent amount. It's like perfect for the track. I don't feel like that you don't have control. Of course, the car has like jersey suspension and the brakes and wider tires and Dunking Air 1, so it helps a lot. But overall, it's a good package. It's good.
Yeah, I like it too.
Okay. We're good again. very much.
Yeah, thank you.
That was very cool. It's definitely what the car needed.
Yeah.
Like, it's not always that you can say like it was missing horsepower, or like that the horsepower upgrades are going to add something to the package, but in this case it's actually good. It's like
exactly, and it added character too. You can hear the car now.
Yeah,
Not
of
just
course.
The tires. That's kind of nice too.
Yeah, no, it's awesome. Any further mods planned to it?
Seats probably.
Yeah, seats.
Seats is next, and then we're getting a wing, a carbon fiber wing.
Oh, nice.
Like a Mark IV TRD style wing, custom made.
Mm-hmm. And we're planning something for subframes.
Yes, yeah.
Not sure if Robert told you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good.
Oh yeah, yeah. We were looking at different things to see what we can do, and see
cool.
what the best options are.
Yeah, and we have something very cool lined up for you, so stay tuned for that. Again, thank you very much for the lap. Let us guys know what you thought of it, if you liked it. I mean, I definitely did. Yeah, and tell Fabi what mod he should do next on the Supra.
Yeah, exactly. And not a wide body for now.
Not a wide body, huh? No.